Today I will be making tortas de adobada and res. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So for my adobo sauce, I will be using chile guajillo and chile pasilla ancho. I happened to get guajillo chiles that were ripped in half or they were very small, and I just grabbed two and I counted them as one. Chile guajillo, and then we're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chile ancho, okay? Pasilla ancho, okay? Okay, so when you are cooking the adobo sauce, you want to add onion, half an onion, and 2 garlic cloves. These were very big, so that's why I used 2, but if they're small, then use 4. So you want to cook your adobo sauce for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll also notice that the peppers will start changing color from a red to a darker brown color. That will also give you a hint that they are ready, and they will also be softer. So in this process, I used a teaspoon of mejorana marjoram, and then I decided to use half a teaspoon of menudo mix. You want to add a teaspoon of salt. Then I added a teaspoon of steak seasoning. Blend it for approximately 1 minute minimum. Put oil on a hot pan. Then you want to season your chuck roast beef. And you also want to add salt. You want to cook the chuck roast beef for 15 minutes on each side. Alright, so once your meat looks like this, then it's ready to put inside the crock pot. So I will be adding like around 6 cups of adobo broth inside the slow cooker. So you want to make sure you get all that tasty beef flavor that you cooked your chuck roast beef on inside the slow cooker. You want to add approximately 2 to 4 garlic cloves depending on the size. Then you add 2 bay leaves. Okay, I'm going to be adding half a stick of cinnamon in here. You add 1 whole clove. Then you will strain the adobo sauce inside the slow cooker. This smells very delicious. I will be cooking my chuck roast beef for 6.5 hours in a slow cooker. Now if your chuck roast beef is not tender and you can't shred it easily, it needs more time. This recipe is going to be very, very delicious. tender, it's ready. Okay, so delicious. Now I will be preparing my toppings. Okay, I have my sour cream right here. Okay, I will be cutting my leaves. Take some off, you see? Okay. So I decided to just take some of the bread inside so the bread is not so thick and it's easier to eat.